how to log into OKX app. If you want to log into your OKX application, it's actually quite very simple for us to do so. All you have to do is go ahead and then first of all make sure to launch the OKX app, and this is the type of interface you will see. Now first you have to choose whether you want to log into Exchange or to Wallet. If you want to log into Wallet, go to Wallet and select that, but if you want to log into Exchange, go to Exchange right here. If you have not yet signed up, you can tap on sign up if you don't have, but since we're trying to log in, just go ahead and then tap the login button right here. You can log in using your email address, tap the next option and enter your password. In case you forgot your password, you can tap on forgot your password to log in, or you can also log in using your phone number. But if you have linked your account using your Google or Telegram, you can also select your Google account from here, and once done, simply select your respective account and you'll be successfully logged into your OKX Exchange app. This way you'll be able to log into OKX Exchange. I hope the video helps you out. If you have got any further questions, feel free to leave them down in the comments below. As always, thanks for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.